Well, I have a question for you. Can somebody with no experience with makeup put on the Joker face from the current film that's out right now? I have never put on makeup myself. I don't think I've ever even put makeup on for Halloween. So I don't really know anything about makeup. Now, I've done some acting where other people have put makeup on me, and I've seen that, but it's really not that much. I had, mainly it's to take the shine off my face and whatnot. So I went to the big store and bought this, and you can see it's kind of melted because I had it in the car, and I had this one also. Let's just see what happens, because I have no idea, because I've never put on makeup before. So I got a mirror right here, so I'm gonna kind of look this direction, but you should be able to see everything that I'm doing anyways. That's how I'll look without my glasses on, yeah. I think I can just put it on, so let's just try. Okay. So I may need a lot more white than this. That's pretty good. Okay. Not bad for somebody that has never put on makeup. What do y'all think? I think that's a good foundation a little bit. It's got a little bit in my hair, but that's all right. It's not like I'm a pro or anything. Okay, so there we go. All right, cool. So now I think I'm going to do the blue ink next. And it basically kind of has like these little diamond-shaped things on the eyes and whatnot. So once again, I'll just kind of put some of this areas up here and work that in myself. Well, this is not as hard as I thought it was going to be. So, all right, so let's do some red now. And basically, that's going to be the nose, and he has like these little teardrop kind of up here, these eyebrows kind of like this. Yeah, it's a little bit high up, but okay. Okay, and the nose. Mainly it's kind of like that area there. And now the fun part, the mouth. And you go kind of get a little bit of, yeah. You know, that's pretty close. Again, I am not a professional at all. This is the first time I've ever put makeup on. And, you know, not horrible, not horrible, no. If I put a little bit more white on some of the areas that I kind of messed up a little bit. I'm not sure. Oh, okay, you can cover it up. Wow, I didn't know that. Oops, didn't want to do that. Well, it's been a long day of being the Joker. Yeah, now I do have the spray stuff here. So we won't do much of it. We'll see. Shake well, spray on. Non-professional, never put on makeup before. Obviously, I don't think it's good as the film, but it's kind of close. So here I am, not professional, putting on Joker makeup. Woo, what do y'all think? I'm gonna show you how I look with my outfit right now. And this is how I look in my outfit. As always, rock and roll, and of course, it does compute. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel because that would totally compute. Yeah.